The table shows the portion of a day 4 students used to build a website, which list shows the students in order from greatest amount of time used to the least amount of time used. Now this question is a little bit different from what we had been doing for the other problems. This one we're converting fractions to percents. Okay, so we're going to look at 7/25 first. So 7 over 25. And our goal is to convert this to a percent. Now we can do this a couple ways, but the easiest way that I can think of is to still use a fraction method that's kind of like our proportions. Okay, so we know that when we do our proportions and we do our percents, it's always the percent over 100. So we know that whatever number ends up here on the top can be our percent. Okay, so what we need to think about is what number could we multiply 25 by to get to 100? Think of your 25s as like quarters. How many quarters are in a dollar? 4, right? So 25 times 4 would equal 100. So what we did to the bottom, we need to do to the top now. So 7 times 4 equals 28. So we know that 7 over 25ths would convert to 28%. Now I need to look at the next one. We have 3/10. Again, our goal is to get it to a percent. So we're going to convert, we want that denominator to be 100 because we're looking for a percent on the top. So this one should be pretty easy. 10 times 10 is going to get us to 100. So what we did to the bottom, we now have to do to the top. So 3 times 10 is going to give us 30. So we know that 3/10 is equivalent to 30%. So now that we have them all in the same format, we can put them in order from it told us to do greatest to least. So we know we have 28% and 30% from what we converted. We also have 29.4% and 37.6%. So our greatest percent is going to be Andrew's of 37.6. So I'm going to write Andrew. After 37.6 would come 30%, which was our 3/10, which was Blake. After Blake comes Jamil at 29.4%. And last comes Ernesto at 28%. So now we need to look for the answer choice that matches that. So I can already eliminate B and C because those are not in the correct order. And then it looks like the one that's going to come in the correct order is going to be